Hello, dear tutors. My name is Eduardo Iván Retamoso Polo. I am a social communication student at the National Open and Distance University UNAP. I got to present assignment 4 of the English V1 course, Oral Production, Voice in Motion, VU. When I was a child, my appearance might have seemed charming and tender, with clear-eyed, street-like bands hair and fair street. However, my behavior could have been considered another matter entirely. I was very shy and barely spoke, but at school I would often be an undisciplined child who paid little attention in class and caused disorder. Here my classmate. If I hadn't related, they doubt I continued that path. I might never have changed. I understood that life was not supposed to be only about creating disorder and disrespecting others. So decided that I would make an effort to become a more responsible and respectful person, aiming to graduate for high school with determination and perseverance. I was able to achieve my goal and became the mature and responsible individual I am today. In my vocabulary, I highlight these words: tender child, disciplined, changing, responsible, respectful, graduate. Next, I present to you the images of my magazine. Thank you very much.